A Canadian Aurora patrol plane searching from above, dropping sonars to listen below, after another Canadian aircraft detected underwater noises.
With respect to the noises specifically, we don't know what they are.
But searchers do think the sounds are man-made, providing some hope, though time is rapidly running out.
The noises have been described as banging noises.
The Canadian Coast Guard ship Terry Fox pulling out to join other Canadian vessels in the multinational effort to save the 5 people lost in the North Atlantic. They were on board a submersible heading to the wreck of the Titanic. American aircraft have arrived carrying heavy equipment, including remotely operated vehicles used to search the depths. Then loaded onto the Horizon Arctic, considered one of the most powerful offshore support vessels in the world. Now on its way to the search site, 685 kilometers southeast of Newfoundland.
I've been in the marine industry since a very young age and seen a lot of different situations, and I've never seen equipment of that nature move that quickly.
Horizon Maritime owns the Polar Prince, which launched the Titan around 8 o'clock Sunday morning, before losing contact an hour and 45 minutes later.
The marine industry in this region is no stranger to responding to difficult incidents.
As specialized equipment floods in from around the world, so too has the world's media, making the small, scenic city of St. John's the center of global attention. OceanGate, the company that owns the Titan, estimates air will run out Thursday morning.
It's a terrible thought to know I have actual friends there, people I've met.
New York writer Mike Reese made the trip himself.
If they're stranded, if their air is running out, I know there's going to be calm there and resignation to it all and acceptance of it all.
He says he would do it again if the 5 on board are rescued.
Kayla, a bit of a tough question, but what are the realistic chances of a rescue at this point?
Yeah, Adrienne, there's no question this is a race against time. We keep hearing about those 96 hours, right? The company that owns the sub says it has 4 days worth of air on board for 5 people. But some who have made the trip have told us that's just a calculation. And because of that, others say there might actually be more time, that there are ways to prolong that air, resting, controlled breathing, not panicking. And they say if there is anyone who can do those things, they are the experienced people on that sub.
All right, Kayla Hounsell in St. John's tonight. Thank you.